Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I am going to discuss a very important piece of information for Spouse Sponsorship Canada. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, like we know that since the beginning of the pandemic, spouse processing has been delayed a lot. A lot of people have been waiting for months even to get a single piece of update for their application. And we had some protest across various cities in Canada where people demanded to do something about sponsorship because it's really hard to stay away from your loved ones. We all can understand the pain. So now I have some update. As you can see that this information has been released by the official social media account of IRCC. Today, Minister Medicino, he's the Minister of Immigration. He's the Honorable Minister of Immigration Canada, and he has announced action to speed up spouse sponsorship application processing and help family build their lives together in Canada. So let's go through this link. What it says: IRCC speeding up processing for spousal applications. So hopefully we see some decisions soon. Today, the Honorable Marco Mendicino, Minister of IRCC, is announcing action to speed up spousal application processing and help families build their lives together in Canada. Okay. IRCC has increased the number of decision makers on spousal applications in Canada by 66% to process spousal applications more quickly and reduce couples' wait time. Now it says in Canada by 66%. I don't know if they mean like decision makers are going to be increased uh, inside Canada or out of Canada. But in any case, like when he says for any application, the first stage is always processed in Canada. So definitely, in my opinion, even if these, like, I don't understand the meaning of this line clearly, to be honest. Like when they say in Canada, it is just for applications within Canada or for outside also. But even if I mean only in Canada, even in that case, like at least first stage applications will be processed. IRCC has increased the number of decision makers. Okay, IRCC is leveraging new technology in a pilot to digitize paper applications so they can be processed more efficiently by IRCC employees working remotely and at various work sites. In addition to implementing facilitative biometric measures, IRCC will be piloting in the upcoming week technology to conduct interviews with applicants remotely in adherence with public health protocols. That's really good. With these initiatives, IRCC aims to accelerate, prioritize, and finalize approximately 6,000 spousal sponsorship applications each month from October until December. So, October, November, December, 18,000 around. Combined processing till date, this will lead to 49,000 decisions by end of the year. Okay. So, this is the quote from the minister. So, hopefully, uh, like I made an assumption here, like when they say on spousal application in Canada, it doesn't just mean in Canada, but even if the assumption I said is correct, still the first stage of processing will be faster, and at the same time, when he's going to implement a lot of such changes in Canada, definitely, like in my opinion, he's going to implement changes for other offices as well. But it's just my opinion. I mean, assumption, opinion, whatever you say. So hopefully, we'll see better or quicker reunion down the line. So that's it for now my side, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. Thank you, guys.